at Proformance Unlimited, your dyno tuner. On the dyno today, we just have a little baby LS3 on the dyno here. It's our 525 model. Just got done making them just about 530. Beautiful power, little package for a nice little cruising vehicle here. This is going to be in a 72 Camaro. It's got a full boat CVF kit on the front of this. It's got custom painted black. We got a Holly oil pan on here. Got the valve covers. Looks great, sounds great, performs great. If you want something that does the same for your ride, don't hesitate to give us a call. We'll be happy to put something together for you and have a good fun time with your vehicles. 1-800-267-3940.